Hello friends, welcome to National PC YouTube channel. Myself Prasenjit. Today I will show you one of the latest product from Asus, Asus Mini PC PN50. Previously Asus Mini PC has comes with the PN40 and PN60. Both this PN40 and 60 comes with the Intel processor. But this time PN50 comes with the Ryzen processor, Ryzen 4th generation, very powerful processor. In this video I will show you all the technical details about PN50. So let's begin this video. Asus Mini PC PN50. It's a bare-bone device and it looks like a very small device. Just see this, it's shown in the box upper side and it's a 4" by 4" device only. Asus Mini PC PN50 comes with a Ryzen processor. Previously PN40 and 60 come with the Intel 8th generation processor of this Asus Mini PC. But this time Ryzen 50 comes with the Ryzen 3, Ryzen 7 and Ryzen 5. Ryzen 3 it has Ryzen 4300U. Which is 4 core and 4 threads, and Ryzen 5 it is 4500U, then it comes with a 6 core and 6 thread. And Ryzen 7 has two devices, one is Ryzen 7 4700U which is 8 core and 8 threads, and one is 4800U, that means 8 core 16 threads. So all four type of devices available with this Mini PC PN50. And this Mini PC PN50 also comes with the Wi-Fi 6 enable and 802.11ax and Bluetooth 4.2. So all are the latest configuration it's available with the Asus Mini PC PN50. And this Mini PC PN50 also is a VESA compatible. That means you can easily install this in a VESA mountable monitor or VESA mountable TV. And you can easily use a Bluetooth keyboard mouse or a wired keyboard mouse, and easily you can make your TV as a smart TV or a monitor. You can use this as your home desktop or home PC for your online class or for your online coaching or everything, every kind of purpose you can use this as a device. And this Mini PC, that is in PN40, 50 and 60, all are CSM enabled. That means you can use this as a business purpose. So let's check all the component details inside this box. So let's begin the unboxing. Let's open the package of Asus Mini PC PN50 and check what are the accessories available with this package. This is Asus Mini PC PN50. First check out all the accessories. This is warranty card. This device has a 3 years warranty from this the date of purchase. This is safety information. This is all multi-language booklet and all the ports details. You can check out all the details from this booklet. I will show you all the ports details in this video. This is the power plug description. This is normal power cord and this is the Asus adapter. All the Asus router and Mini PC all have the 19 volt adapter. This is also the same 19 volt 4.74 ampere adapter. And this is the VESA mount plate. This is a 100 by 100 VESA mount. So you can easily install with this device and you can attach with this any kind of monitor, any kind of device or display which have this VESA mount available. So this is the 4th screw hole. I will show you how to install this VESA mount. This is a VESA mount screw. This is the VESA mount stand. And this is this two device. This two screw is used for the M.2 slot. This device has two storage. One is 2.5-inch SSD or hard disk, and another one is M.2 SSD. For install this M.2 SSD, you need this type of stand and this type of screw. Let's check the Asus Mini PC PN50. Wow, it's a very small. Look at its size. It's very small. Full black color and all edges are very sharp. And this is a Windows 10 compatible. And this was in the front. You have one microphone port and after that is a one Type-C port. This Type-C is USB 3.1 generation 2 Type-C port, and this is USB 3.1 generation 2 type A port. This is the power button, and this is on IR receiver. This device comes with this VGA port. Normally this port is a configurable port. You can configure this port as per your requirement, but these things a bulk quantity requirement to you have to mail to the ASUS team that I need this ports change. Normally this ports comes with either display port, either HDMI port, or either VGA port. In this package you have received this product, it comes with a VGA port, and so you can use this device your display for with the HDMI port, from Type-C port, and from VGA port. This Type-C port support up to 4K, and this HDMI port also supports the 4K display. This is the LAN port. From this you will get the gigabit LAN, and these two USB 3.0 port, and this is the power DC socket. So let's open this device, and I will show you how to install the SSD with this device and how to install the storage. And this device comes with the 2 RAM slot, and I will show you how to install the RAM also. Let's open this box. To install hard disk, SSD and RAM, you have to open this 4 screw. There is a mark push, so you have to push this plate from this orientation, so it will easily open the top cover. If you want to install 2.5-inch hard disk or SSD, you have to use this place to install this hard disk or storage. And here is this 2 SODIMM RAM, so you can use the laptop RAM or SODIMM RAM. There is 2 memory slot is there. You can install up to 32 GB. One slot is support maximum 16 GB. To total 32 GB DDR4 RAM you can install in this PN50. And this is the card for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. It's already pre-installed with all the PN50 devices. And this is the M.2 slot for the SSD. So you can use this SSD here, the PCIe SSD or the SATA. So both NVMe and non-NVMe M.2 SSD you can use in this PN50. First I will show you how to install a 2.5-inch hard disk or SSD. For this you have to install this in the top cover and this orientation. So when it will fit with this device, this SATA port and this SATA power port is automatically fit in this position. So let's check it carefully. This is the actual orientation. The port, this is the SATA port and this is the power port. This is on the upside. The screw package, there is 4 screw, the black color. This type of 4 screw is required to tight this hard disk. So this is a 2.5-inch hard disk is already installed like this way. Now we will install one SODIMM RAM. It's very easy. Just push like this and after that just press it. So it will automatically installed. Now we will show you how to install the M.2 SSD. We have one XPG 512 GB NVMe SSD. We will use this NVMe SSD in this PN50. This is the M.2 SSD slot, and you have to use this slot in this position, and you have to tight this position with a screw, and this screw package is already comes with this PN50. This is the stand, this is the screw. In these positions, we have to install the stand first, then we have to install the screw. So it's very easy to install this SSD and install this RAM. We will use one more RAM, total 16 GB. So all the installation is complete. So we will close this packet from the back side. Just carefully push it. So all the SSD, hard disk and RAM, 2 RAM, so all or everything is installed. Now we will tight all these 4 screws again. So all the installation is completed. Now I will show you how to install the VESA mount. This is a VESA mount 4 screw and this is the VESA mount stand. In PN50 we have to use this stand. These two. This is VESA mount screw 4. So if your display or if your monitor or if your any kind of TV has the VESA mount supported, you have to install this 4 screw on the back side of the monitor. You can easily open it. You can easily hanging it. So let's power on this device and I will show you its configuration and how to use this on a Windows platform. We have connected the power source with Asus Mini PC PN50. We have also connected the HDMI cable, keyboard and mouse. So let's power up this device. There is 2 LEDs there. One is on the power button and below the power button there is one hard disk LED also. So you can detect the hard disk, it's responsive or not, and this is the power on LED. We'll check from the device manager what is the specification in this PN50 Ryzen 7. This is PN50 Ryzen 7 device. You can see this is a Bluetooth already installed. One is hard disk and one is SSD. And the display driver is the AMD Radeon Graphics. It has the Bluetooth device and Wi-Fi 6 and Realtek Gigabit LAN. All 3 type of network devices available. The processor is Ryzen 7 4700U. This is 8 core. This is a Realtek sound. This is the specification of PN50 Ryzen 7 devices. So in this device you can install up to 32 GB of RAM and you can install one 2.5 inch hard disk or SSD and one M.2 SSD. So for your all kind of needs, like if you want to do your business applications, if you want your personal home desktop or a movie desktop to connect with your smart TV or connect with a big screen, LCD screen, you can also do that. And you can also do for your online classes. This is the perfect device for all kind of services. Asus Mini PC PN50. To get the best deal of this product, please visit the below link. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and share this video as much as possible. And to get the more updates on our channel, please subscribe to National PC YouTube channel. If you have any kind of question regarding this Asus MiniPC P950, please comment in this video.